In an era where intelligence is embedded into everything, mastering artificial intelligence and Internet of Things is the key to engineering the future. At Chandigarh University, our Bachelor of Engineering CSE Hons program specializing in Internet of Things and Artificial Intelligence in association with IBM, a global technology innovator, empowers you to build smart systems that revolutionize industries and everyday life. Master the fusion of IoT and AI with a futuristic curriculum crafted for the tech revolution. Learn to develop intelligent systems that sense, analyze, and act autonomously. Technology thrives on hands-on experience. Get trained in advanced labs that are equipped with industry-standard tools and platforms. Push the boundaries of technology with research-driven innovation. Work on real-world AI and IoT projects and gain support for research publications and file patents. Here, learning is not confined to textbooks. Experience transformative opportunities that develop expertise and create lasting industry connections. Evolve into highly skilled professionals equipped to excel in high-impact industry roles. Start your journey with Chandigarh University and become the driving force behind intelligent technology. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.